Let us drop the money. Let us drop the money so that we get this done. Okay? Let us drop the money and we get this done. Okay. So we are streaming live onto our YouTube channel. How much is the contribution? It's up to you. Even if you send the $212 now alone, we get this done. Even if you send that money alone, it's okay. If you send it, I close the topic. If there is anybody willing to send that balance alone, you are saying I send it alone and I will get that done. It's okay. There is no specific amount. It's up to you. Okay. Once I see it drop on my account, I end. Okay. And those that will have contributed, send me a screenshot. I'll add you to a certain broadcast, and that's where I'll be sharing the information. All right. So the information will not be here. The information will not be on the Crypto Ambassadors groups. The information will not be on the Crypto Ambassadors Telegram. Once you run your payment, I will take your number, add it to a broadcast. A broadcast, you cannot see anybody. You can only, it will be me who will be typing directly in your chat. And that is where I will be dropping the information. So the information will not appear on any of our groups. Okay. I will not share it here on Zoom. I'll keep it specific to those people, and I'll take them through the step-by-step process. Only them. So if you don't contribute, don't ask me where the information is. I hope I'm loud and clear. And we are ending this today. So don't plan in the future. Okay? All right. I hope I'm clear. So let's get to our topic. Let's get to our topic for today. So don't ask me for the information. Okay? I hope I'm loud and clear. Don't ask me for the information. Don't say, Julius, you were very bad. I've been clear. I've been on this for a very long time, 3 days now, and we are just a few miles away. Okay? So don't ask me where is the information. Don't say you're a bad person. It's up to you. Okay? You can use any of these to run your contribution. Okay? I've not talked about how much you can contribute. I'm not specific on any amount. Okay? We are just $212 away. Okay, so someone should not say you're a bad person. No. Yeah, I'll continue with these trainings, but that information specific, I'll just also be specific. All right? Okay. So let's get to our topic for today. And our topic for today, we are looking at what we call reversal patterns. We are looking at what we call reversal patterns in trading. Now that you are good at drawing trend lines above the candles, now that you are good at drawing trend lines below the candles, now that you are good at drawing trend lines above the candles, now that you are good at drawing trending lines, okay, below the candles, as you do this, certain patterns will be formed. Okay, certain patterns will be formed. For example, you see this point and this point. Okay, you draw there a line, and so this will be your support. And this point, you draw there a line, and it touches here, and this will be your resistance. What you'll find that this pattern that has been formed is what we call a double bottom. This pattern that has been formed is what we call a double bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to explain that a double bottom forms when the market, when the downtrend when the downtrend is coming to the end. When the downtrend is ending, a double bottom is usually formed. Okay, so this signal indicates that buyers' momentum is strong and sellers have given up. Okay, so the first bottom marks a local minimum of the lowest point of the current trend. So the market moves from top and it forms that. Then it goes up. When it goes up like this, it reaches a certain level. It reaches a certain level, and then it comes down. It reaches a certain level, then it comes down. When it comes down, this was the first bottom, and then it comes back to the same place here. So around here, since the market had been resisted around this point, you had drawn there your line. Okay. So it gets here, and then it breaks this. So once you see the market forming what we called a confirmation candle. A confirmation candle or a confirmation pattern is a pattern that is made up of a green candle and a red candle closing above your line. So a green candle, then a red candle closing above your line. You could enter from around here and take your profit here. And once you get a breakout candle and a test candle, you still continue from where this market came from. And this is what we call the double bottom. Give me one in the chat. One in the chat if that is simple and clear. So you make your first entry here and you make your second entry here. And your target is usually 100% from where the market came from. Let's take an example of Bonk. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If you have done your contribution, then what you are supposed to do is to take a screenshot and share the screenshot on my phone number. Okay, so we are going to look at Bonk, the #1 leading coin in performing meme token. Meme token. Meme means it is a, by the way, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu might create millionaires. I see it is ruling the race. I'll get off this. Meme tokens, guys, seem to be back. Yesterday we had the Pepe. It was pepperizing the market. Today we see Bonk. Huh? I don't know. It's time to be a millionaire. All I wait to announce. So I will go to 1 week. Okay, we said it should be top-down analysis. Can we see, guys? Just taking Shiba Inu as an example. All right. Okay. Can we see that the market came from this point? Give me one in the chat if you can see point A. The market came from point A. Give me one in the chat. Then it came down to point B. Then it rose to point C. Then it came down to point D. And here I would make your entry. You get out at the resistance here, which is point A, B, C, point E. And once it breaks your resistance, you get in again and get out where the market came from. Is that hard, or I draw the lines? Is that hard, or I should draw the lines? Is that hard, or I draw the lines? Is it hard, or I should draw the lines? Is it hard, or I should draw the lines? You tell me. If it is easy, type easy. Look at where the market is. This is what we call a double bottom. We are looking at a double top bottom. The market must be coming from up. It comes down. It forms, this is point A. It forms point B. It rises to point C. Then it forms point D. Then here you make your entry. You get out at the resistance here. Can we all see the resistance? We said when we are drawing support and resistance, you look at the current price, you look below, you look at the current price, you look above. This is the resistance. Then you get in from here, get out of the resistance. You get out. Once it breaks your resistance, you get in and get out from where the coin came from. You take, it is called 100% take profit. It is a trading strategy. Let me show it to you in the past. Let me use history. But some people can, but this one is not a good double bottom here. This one is not a good double bottom. The example I gave is the best double bottom, Shiba Inu. If Shiba Inu goes back to its all-time high, it will create more multi-millionaires. You know, this is the coin that created so many millionaires at that time. Let me look at Bonk. But this one doesn't have a lot of data. So we need now to change the time frame. Maybe around 4, because it doesn't have data. This is not a right example simply because it doesn't have good data. Okay? But give me one in the chat if you have understood the double bottom. Give me one in the chat if you have understood the double bottom. It's a trading strategy, and it is called the double bottom. All right? Okay. So we want to go to the next chart pattern. But the challenge is that people, you are not sending the money. What's wrong? Don't be too greedy. You will leave the money in your Binance account. You will leave the money in your Binance account. Your children and your wives will enjoy it without you. But you can give them knowledge that even when you are not around, they still make money. You see, let me come here and I share something. I want to share the biggest challenge in this world. All right, I'm sorry. But you see, I'm a wealth coach. I love to help people build eternity wealth. Wealth that your grandchildren will inherit. Let me give you an example. How many of you have seen rich people die and all their wealth vanish? Some answers in the chat. How many of you have seen rich people die and all their wealth vanish? It vanishes. The answer is simple. They prepare their children. They prepare for their children, but they don't prepare them. So if you want to be wealthy, because me, I'm called Wealth Coach Julius. If you want to be wealthy, you focus on the knowledge. You don't focus on the money. I have not gone to school anywhere to study about money. I've done self-education. I study more. Okay. And on my journey to do self-education, I usually say, but I don't regret, because also going to school maybe was important to me. But if someone starts on their journey early fast, they make it big time. They make it big time. Okay. So before you lose what you are working for hard, focus on the knowledge, because you can use the knowledge. How many of you are using our knowledge here to make money? Let me know. How many of you are using our knowledge here to make money? What you learn here, you use it and you are making some money. Let me know. Let me know. You are using what we learn here and you are making some money. Good. I have a question. Do you pay for it? I have a question. Do you pay for it? It's free. It's free. You don't pay for it. Nobody pays my time. Nobody pays. But do you know how much I invest to give this knowledge to you? Do you know that I don't even stop on investing in the knowledge? Do you know that I give you signals for free? How many pay for the signals that we give? How many pay for the signals that we give? We not only empower you with knowledge, we also give you free signals to make money. Nobody pays. You don't pay. Now, the reason is simple. It is because we want to build a better world. I personally don't believe people need to wake up to go and look for money. No, I believe people can have money-making skills. Money-making skills, and they can make money anywhere. Money should leave your vocabulary and you focus on the freedom that comes with how you make the money. Because many people make money, but a few people have the freedom. So the reason why you are contributing, you are not giving this money to me. You are contributing so that we run a partnership with a better knowledgeable company in the crypto market space, so that we could acquire more knowledge, more timing, and better opportunities. The goal is to maximize. So you are not contributing to give Julius money. No? I'm not speaking from a bad heart, but God has blessed me so much, me and my family. God has blessed us so much. So much, it is unbelievable. It's really unbelievable how God has blessed us so much. Even when I sleep, I still make money. But I would love to have so many people make as much money as possible. So run your contribution. Run your contribution. We get this done, all right? So let me drop the wallet addresses again for one more time. And I drop my WhatsApp number, take a screenshot. Let's get this done today. Not from a bad heart, but your contribution is paramount. It's not about how much, it's about your contribution. It's paramount. It's important. We get this remaining money done. We call it a day. Okay. Thank you, guys. We have now $2,333. Please, let's keep on dropping the money. By the time I finish my second chart, we get this done. I run the payment, and we move. We run the partnership, and I pray to God the airdrops get done, opportunities get open. We come, give this knowledge. You make money. Me, my goal is to make sure you make money. Okay. That's my goal. I want to have so many people that are making money. That's what I want. And when you make money, may I become happy. You don't need to send me anything, by the way. I'm too blessed. God has blessed us so much. We have nothing we can give back. Okay. But also, though God has blessed us, please, people, stop coming in my chat to borrow money. Me, I'm not a money borrower. I don't have it. Okay. When I come here and I talk about God has blessed us so much, people come to my chat with money issues. I'm not a money borrower. If you want to borrow money, go to banks, go to institutions and borrow money. Me, I don't have money to lend. I don't have it. I also want to make that very clear. Me, I don't give money. I give knowledge. People are taken to prison and they look for me. Julius, give me some money. I have a problem. I'm not a money lender. I'm not here to solve your prison problems. Don't call me. I will not answer. I will not respond. My goal is to give you knowledge. My goal is not to help you in your financial problems. You are not willing to do what you are supposed to do. When you get issues, suffer alone. My point is clear. Now, I'm not here to help people when they have financial issues. I'm not a money lender. Go to banks, go to money lenders. Okay, so we have looked at the double bottom. Now I want to go to the double top. I want to go to the double top. So that when a double top is formed, someone is sending their wallet address. Guys, have you noticed that? Someone sending their wallet address in the chat. Please don't. Now this person, let me just ban you from this Zoom. I don't want you to scam people's money. Have you seen someone drop their wallet address? I'm gonna remove you from this. How do you drop your wallet address here? Please don't make people lose money because you want to collect free money. This is not a platform of your problems. The good thing I've seen he has deleted. Someone had dropped their wallet address. I was going to remove you from the group. Oh, it was a mistake. You want to fish? I thought you want to fish people's money. Please don't take it. Okay, so let's look at our next chart pattern. We are now on chart patterns. Our next chart pattern, it is called the double top. The double top. And I'll look at WLD as my example. Okay, so it is fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so what is a double top? Let's get to this. I'll close my camera so that we focus on the information. What's a double top? First, you focus on the direction of the market. Okay, the direction of the market. The appearance of this pattern, it means that the uptrend is coming to an end. Okay. The other time we were saying that the uptrend, the downtrend is coming to an end, but in this case, the uptrend is coming to an end. Okay, the upward movement of the market is coming to an end. Signals are dropping like running fire. The good thing now, I have so many people in the team that have the capacity to give signals. Okay, so me, I'm dropping. So make sure, although you are here, me, I'm not trading. Me, I am sacrificing. Me, I'm sacrificing. So me, I allow to suffer. I have no problem. V2s, V3s, I'm not dropping in your charts. Please check with the groups. Okay, that signal has been dropped. So let me continue now. Please check it out and trade. Okay, check it out and trade. Okay, so we continue. So the double bottom, the double top, it means the uptrend is coming to an end. And when you see it, you need to trade with caution. Okay, so it means that the selling pressure is strong that the buyers are giving up. Okay, so the first top marks a local maximum and the highest point on the current trend on the first top. Okay, so the market is coming from here. It breaks your support. So this was your support. This was one of the supports you had drawn. So the market comes from below, it breaks it, it goes up, it forms a top, a V. Then you draw there a line. Then the market comes back. Now this time it touches this line. And then, so the move from here will be 100%. We shall talk this about the Fibonacci. Then the market moves up and it forms another top. This time round, the market will come and it will break this support. And so this and this is what we call the double. And if you are trading futures, you enter, your first entry is here. We shall talk about futures. You enter from here. And then your take profit is here. You first take profit. Once it breaks here, your next profit will be from where this market came from. Here, down here. So this will be entry 1 and here entry 2. And take profit is here. So it means here you are doing what we sell selling. You see, in future trading, you can trade what we call a long. A long means the market is going up. And you can trade what we call a short. A short means the market is coming down. So you can trade two sideways. In the nearby future, I'll be introducing future trading to you guys, whereby if you can see a double top, you make your entry here, make your first exit here. Once it breaks, you make the second and continue up to where the market came from. And that's what we call a double top. Give me a 1 in the chat if you have understood a double top, and I want to give you an example. Give me 1 in the chat if it is simple. I want to now give you an example. 1 in the chat. Is it hard? Is it easy? Hard, is it easy? We are looking at chart patterns. Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it hard? Is it easy? Easy, hard. Easy. Yeah, it has a stop loss and take profit. When we will be using a Royal Q, we shall not look at stop loss. I will show you how you can use Royal Q, because Royal Q doesn't use what we call someone saying it is hard. Then it means it not attend support and resistance. Then you do not attend. No, profits can be made when the market's going up. Still, profits can be made when the market's going down. So when profits are being made when the market's going up, is what we call the spot trading. Profits can be made when the market's going down, and that's what we call future trading. Okay, you could trade futures. You could trade longs and shorts. Long when the market's going up, shorts when the market's going down. And in our coming series, as we move together, I believe we shall be talking about futures. Okay, and Royal Q gives features with no leverage. So we shall look at how we can trade the coins that are on the future market in our Royal Q platform, so that when the market's going down, you still make profit. When the market's going up, you still make profit. Okay, so we have looked at the double bottom. We have looked at the double top. Now we want to do the triple bottom. Are we ready? Are we ready, guys, to do the triple bottom? Are we ready? Give me a 2 in the chat if you are ready. But let me first look for an example of, let me look for an example of what we call a double top. Okay? Let's look for an example of what we call a double top. Okay? So I will look for a coin. I believe CRV could be a good profit. Let me look at CRV. This is 4 hours. Okay. 1 hour. You see, selecting a coin to trade is not an easy thing. So that's why I'm not giving signals now. But Bonk is very serious. Bonk is going to where it came from. I don't know where. Guys. Okay. Someone says JPU, but this coin doesn't have data. It is a new coin in the market. It doesn't have trading data. You see, It doesn't have trading. Maybe we look at it at 4 hours. But now it's going up. You see when a coin doesn't have trading data, it's not good to analyze when you are teaching, because let's look at this. 50-50. But you see now where we are now, it is hard. Someone says Beck has that. Now this one might be having a huge floating loss. Can you see this simple analysis on my chart, guys? Guys, do you see that? I haven't done anything. Do you see that? Can anybody see that? Do you see how I looked at this market, seen its past history, and just drew my line, said once it closes above, let things continue. Can you see that? Simple. I just drew one line, entered, and I said 4%. You see, I just looked at the past performance of this coin, and I said, once it breaks here, then it will be going to the near future. It will be going back where it came from. Can you see? That's what I discussed recently. 100%. Can you see? The double bottom, 100%. It has to go back where it came from. Do you see, guys, here? From here. Okay, just have minimized the data. Am I speaking alone? Am I speaking alone? It comes out well in the 4-hour time frame. All right. Let me look for, someone says look at Beck. I'm looking for a double top, but where we are right now, double tops are not common. Double bottoms are the common ones. All coins are now recovering, unless we are going to use past data. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the last time you are going to float on Beck. This coin is going to come back a very, very strong. And some of you might sell your girlfriends. Someone might decide to, this coin. I don't know. What is coming is bigger than what has happened in the past. This one. The way it is rolling like a lion. This sideway market you see here, once it is broken, you're going to see fire. Let me analyze it here for you. Simple lines, not a big deal. I'm just going to draw simple lines. Can we see this here from current price to this? Just simple. What is coming here? What is coming is even more deadly than what has happened. I'll take the close of the candle. Guys, if Beck breaks this and it closes above, Allah. Minimum, it will start from here, then here. Let me draw my line and I keep it for future reference. I will start 0.5. Let me draw my lines so that I keep them here for future reference. I hope now you know how to draw these lines. I'm not speaking. Real dangerous. It's a really very dangerous situation coming. Because This is minor. This is minor. Unless this looks a little bit major bit. Oh my goodness. I'm not saying you go and buy the coin. Is retirement package. Because once it breaks this one here, next stop 0.5. This consolidation here that has taken all this time, sure, this build up here, thunder, yeah, ta. Very strong. Okay, guys, you will trust me, I may not find a double top because where we are right now, I do what? I measure for you. Let me do another coin that is coming is WRX. This one also, big problem. Big problem is coming here. WRX, this, let me put for your parallel channel. But who's loving the simple analysis we are doing? We are trying to make things very simple. Let me go to my triple tops and triple bottoms. I'll take from here. Just stretch to the close of the candles. I want to go to the wicks. Stretch it to the highs. I could do this. I could go for it. But let me take just that. But if I go for the other one, I go for the whole channel, no joke. Hey, no joke. Whatever I touches my line, I draw the. Hey. You are joking. This one is coming to 2.7 from here. Let me measure. You know, want to measure. Forecasting tools, price range. This one is coming to 2.7. There's a 4%. Let me add on a confluence. MACD. Not so much. Stochastic. Fibonacci. Okay, resistance. This one, no. You go away. Go and sleep. Auto fib. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sure deal. This one is a sure deal. 4% on WRX. You just need to be patient. Someone says you can find a double top WLD in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is not a good time for trading. You see, when you want to make good money, don't go to those lower time frames. When you are in a lower time frame, you are just scalping. Anything can happen. Lower time frames are good on a pumping coin. Purposes. Where is the double? Where is your double top? On the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay. Fibonacci. Where is the double top? Here. A little bit, but not close clear. A little bit, a little bit, a little bit. A little bit, 50-50. It's not a clear one. Okay, I think I go to next. It is hard for me to find a double top now. Worldcoin will still give some money. Someone just needs to be a little bit patient with it. It is doing some retracements and what, but it will recover very soon. Now let me go to double bottoms, triple bottoms, because I want to finish these bottom things. So that tomorrow I do another thing. Okay, how do triple? We are now looking at triple bottoms. These are more common now. We say direction of the market will come from the top. Okay. The downtrend is necessary for the formation of the triple bottom. Okay. The longer is its duration, the more reliable it will be for the signal. So the longer it takes. So 3 lows form a clear line support. So you draw your support here. So you will see the market will move up from where it will be coming from, form a curve around there. And remember, on every V, we draw the line. So you draw your line around there. Then the market will drop 100% back to this line. The distance from here to here is 100%. Then the market will rise again, touch this. Then the market will come back to this line once it comes back here. So this will be the support. This will be the resistance. So it comes back, touches here. What are you supposed to do here? Enter. First entry. Up to here. Take profit. Once it breaks here, enter. Then take profit 100% back to this line where the market came from. Is that also it will be bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3. Okay. Is this hard? I want to find a triple bottom. I want to find a triple bottom. I think I need to check on these coins that are. I'll use Doge. Aha. 50-50, not so that clear. Let me use BCH and see. Or BNB. 50-50. Let me try on 1 week time frame and I see. Are we there? Are we there? Support. Resistance. The market came from this side. Came here. Touched this point. Went up. Came there. This part sometimes it can queraga. Then from this point, it touched this point. Then it touched this point. It touched this point. Then it touched this point. Then it went back where it came from. Now let me widen it. Okay. You see that it went back where it came from up to this point, where the market was supported or resisted. Give me one in the chat if you can see that. We are coming to the end. This is where the resistance was. Imagine if you knew this and you were monitoring your coin with your lines. Once it hits what you want, so it came back here, you made your entry. You took 44%. You took 44%. You waited. It broke. You entered. You waited. It broke your resistance. You entered. Maybe from here, I don't know. And you took another 45%. You joke with trend lines. Patterns are very strong. Once you learn how to draw patterns, you can go to someone who's counter. Someone, people joke with the traders. Someone jokingly took me to a counter. People joke with traders. Someone took me to a counter of buying things and was minimizing me and was making funny noise. I told him, my friend, this is not time to show. But what do you want to pick from this counter? Pick anything you want. Anything. The guy loved alcohol so much. So he asked for a bottle that is worth 1.7 million Ugandan shillings. And said, I want that one. I want that one. I told the guy on the counter, give him. I went to my wallet, withdrew 2 million Ugandan shillings very fast, made payment, and I put the guy back to where he belongs. I came back to my trading view, analyzed the coin, took my profit again, I made it again, and the guy was like, don't joke with trend lines, learn them and enjoy money. Don't joke with trading. This is the future. So we have looked at the double tops, triple tops. The same thing it happened on triple tops, double tops. The same thing happens on triple tops. So double tops, double bottoms, the same scenario. No, because this is learning, it may be hard for me to find it may be hard for me to find something currently on current price. If you want to find one, go and draw. Go and draw. Then once it forms, we say it is a top-down analysis. Okay? Top-down analysis. Okay? It's a top-down analysis. Please, when you send your money, do not call me. I'm a little bit stubborn, although guys, you are sending me your money. When you send me your money, do not call me. I'm not a bad guy, but do not call me when you send me your money. The procedure is simple. Thank you for sending your money. What you do after you have sent your money, and I'm about to close. But don't think me I'm going to be here all the time telling you send money. I'm about to close the window. I'm about to close the window. I'm about to check my wallet. If the money is already there, please, I'm about to tell you to stay with your money. So, some people bottom should check in 1 week. Okay. No, I chose a bigger time frame. I chose a bigger time frame simply because I'm analyzing. But remember, my leader Sujata, when we are doing technical analysis, a top-down analysis, okay? What do I mean by top-down analysis? If you want to find your trades, go. The challenge with most people, when they want to go in the market, it's when they want to go and analyze the market. It's a bad trading practice. Okay? It's a bad trading practice. If you want to trade better, go and analyze your coins when you are not going to trade. Give me one in the chat if I've understood this. Go freely on the market, analyze the market without trading, so that when you come to check, you just find that the market is hitting your analysis. Give me one in the chat if you have understood. You don't go to the market to analyze to trade. You go to the market to analyze coins, leave them there. When they hit your analysis, you go and trade. I don't know if I'm clear. Am I clear? Give me a yes if you have understood me. Go to the market and analyze the market without an issue that you are going to trade. The challenge with most people, they go to analyze the market because they are looking for a coin to trade. That's a very bad practice. That's a very bad practice. If you want to be a good trader, go to the market just to analyze the market and look for opportunities. If you find any, good. If you don't find any, leave your analysis there. So that when you come to look at the coin, for example, I need to open another account. For example, Shiba Inu. This is Shiba Inu in 1 week. Can we see, guys? This is Shiba Inu in 1 week. Okay. And I'm a trader. So what do? I come here. Yes, people are happy. They are trading. It's okay. I don't care. Nobody can finish the money in the market. So what do? I come on this coin on 1 week time frame. Current price. So this is the nearby support. I draw my line here. Current price. I draw my line here. Now here there is an opportunity, although it's a little bit risky, that there is an opportunity, although I have come for analysis. I don't know if I'm making sense. I can enter from current price and take a 3%. It is a 7, but I take quarter of the journey. I take a 4 or a 3. Give me one in the chat if you are clear. So here I've come to analyze for the future. Now for the future, I will say when this coin will break this resistance line, I will take my profit here. I don't know if I'm clear. I don't know. I'll take my profit here. Once it breaks, I'll take my profit there. Now I will go maybe in 4-hour time frame and look at this coin. Can we see this now, guys? Can we see this? I can enter Shiba now, and my take profit is up here. Give me one in the chat if you can see from here up to here. It is a current opportunity. I don't know if I'm clear. I came to analyze for the future, but I have found that Shiba Inu has an opportunity for me. Let me go and I give this signal, but you enter at your own risk. It can catch your leg. Give me a 2 if you have understood that statement. You enter Shiba Inu at your own risk. It can cut your leg. Give me a 2 if you have understood that. Hey, people don't look for me if it cuts your leg. Don't look for me. It can cut your leg. Guys, I think you allow me close the window for people sending me money. It seems like I'm tired. It seems like I'm tired of money. I need to check my account. You know, people can be here. I will send tomorrow morning. I'm about to close. So if you haven't sent, I'm about to tell you to stay with your money. You know, someone is, I will not contribute so that he feels bad. Belu, you might stay with your money. Me, I'm warning you. I see so many emails. You might stay with your money. See, someone can say, I will not send it so that he feels bad. I will not send it. Now there are these ones, every time they want me to explain to them, stay with your money. I'm about to tell you. You see, I will not contribute. I have people with good heart. You're about to stay with your money. I tell you, it's issues of I will not, so that he stays. You might stay with your money as I see things moving. Yeah, if you have said, guys, don't worry, I will check. I will not deposit it. I will not help. I might stay. Guys, let's go Shiba Inu. 3%. Peru. Yes, Peru. I have people with good heart. You might find you staying with your money in your wallet. People can say, I will not give you. You will feel bad. Oh, you might stay with your money. Might stay with your money as things are moving. Guys, I'm now going to go and check my account and confirm whether you continue or you stop. But thank you so much. I'm a jokey person. So we are trading Shiba. Okay. We are trading Shiba 2%, 2-3%. It will deliver. I hope now, guys, you can trade. Okay. I hope you can trade. Now someone is busy selling their floating rows to enter Shiba Inu. What if this one goes down? What will you do? Look, some people are like planning, let me sell this one. I have some questions in the chat. People want my wallet address again. Okay. I'm sending for the last time. I'm sending for the last time, guys. Because the emails are many. The money could be already enough. So I'm sending for the last time. If you miss this time, please, I'll request you, maybe you will contribute on something, maybe in the future. I'm giving for the last time. The email addresses I've seen coming could be enough. Could be enough. This is the last time I'm sending the wallet address. The rest, I'm sorry, you might stay with your money. Okay,